Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Pinterest tag. So connecting Etsy to Pinterest tag is not directly possible for standard Etsy shops. Etsy does not allow you to install custom scripts or tracking pixels including the Pinterest tag. So why direct installation doesn't work? To install Pinterest tag, you normally need to add base code inside your website, add event code, and Etsy does not allow that. It does not allow the editing site code, injecting JavaScript, adding tracking pixels, etc. So you can't install Pinterest tag on Etsy. But what you can do instead, you can go with Zapier.com website or tool, and right here just go with create option that's located at the top left corner of the page, and after that just go with Zaps. Okay, and now all you need to do is to go with trigger and action, and that's the manual option, or you can just describe what you want to the AI. So you can go with, can you please set the Pinterest ads manager or Pinterest tag as an action, so that means right here, and Etsy as an trigger, right? And then just go with start building, or you can go and click on trigger right here, then just look for Etsy. So it's available for the ones that have the premium version of Zaps or Zapier, and just choose it, sign in, and choose the action or the triggers, and then just go with action right here and look for Pinterest ads or lead ads. Okay, and choose that option, and also you will need to have the premium plan of Zapier to choose it. And once finished, just go ahead, test, run, and then just go with publish to turn it on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.